destroying my battery. This is Sbach 101. How to beat the shit out of a Dynam Sbach straight out of the box. Oh my god, you see the flex on them wings? That's nuts. Oh yeah, and another thing. He's got no rudder. His rudder is, the servo is busted. So this is just... Who's the faggot with the tuba? This thing's flying around like a fruit fly. Just elevator and aileron. That's all this guy's got. Hey, don't lose my battery.
Good, bud, don't worry.
Sorry if the video is shaky, people, but it's like 0 or freezing. Flexing those wings is just unreal. Uh-oh.
Oh, there it goes.
No! You got nothing?
No, your battery's...
Oh my god, I missed it. I was too busy watching it.
You didn't get that crash?
I didn't get it. I was too busy watching it.
You idiot.
I didn't get it.
That would have been the best slow-mo video.
Oh man, I missed it. I was too busy watching it. You were like, oh, your battery.
You lost your battery?
I heard it hit the ground.
Oh, how did you not get that?
Whoa, what a stretch, eh? Look at those servos.
How did you not get that?
What happened there?
Rookie cameraman. I don't know. The thing was ripped out.
Fuse like a...
I think your battery was too heavy, buddy.
Buddy, I'm running the same plane. I just ran a big
Yeah,
battery in
but
there.
you don't run it like I run it.
You're just too hard in the sticks, buddy.
Awesome.
You just jerked the battery out and that's what happened?
That was it.
Wow.
At least I did it over here instead of...
And you even had your Netty thing on there.
Yeah, man, that thing just ripped it. That was awesome.
Can't believe I missed it.
I kind of made my day. That was pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie.
You happy about destroying your
That's
plane?
that was pretty. If I was gonna go out, but I can't believe you didn't get it on. Are you sure?
I missed it, buddy.
You sure?
I totally
You
missed
sell your winged over.